2016. Today, I confirm you graduates. Congratulations!
And to give us an inspirational message, may I call on Linda Leon E. Galera, first honor. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Our guest speakers, dear parents, teachers, visitors, friends, and fellow graduates, good morning. Today we will finish our scholastic letter. We have just finished our happy candidates. We are now ready for the next phase of our learning. As the first year of our school, the Therese de Avila Learning Center is most fruitful and enjoyable, both for our parents and us, their beloved children. Our parents entrusted us to the care and supervision of our teachers. We were at first really scared to be left behind. We come to learn and respect our teachers. So, step by step, from one day to another, we grow as dear parents want. We grow stronger every day. We learn from words and actions from our teachers, parents, their ideals of honesty, bravery, and friendship. We look forward eagerly to a bright future. We're given lessons in our education. Dear classmates, for contact and loving kindness from our dear parents and teachers. Go on for our future, full of hope and tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mendel, for that very inspiring message.
An editor-in-chief and researcher, writer of a publishing company. She owns the Brilliant Mind Bright Future Review Center, which has become instrumental in helping pupils to qualify.
May I request all of you graduates to please stand. Just follow my lead.
Here, Jesus makes beautiful things among us. Carefully touching me, causing my
How are you going to grow with wisdom? You have to, what is that? You have to study well. Say, I love you.
I love you.
Thank you so much, graduates, and congratulations.
We are much delighted with your presence this morning. Your happy faces make us glad and merry.
La Guarda al Degno, please.
Always keep a little prayer in your pocket, and you're sure to see a light. Soon every joy and happiness, and your little world will be bright.
Here at St. Therese Learning Center, we are happy as can be. Believe and to the toys we have played, to the teachers we love, and in unison we vow.
Wait for 1 minute.
Finish na. Approve. Very good. Approve. Oh.
Emerald S. Lira.
With you, how I feel this very memorable occasion, our graduation day. As a member of the graduating class, I wish my dear classmates the best of luck.
Galera Linda Leon E. Humawan Jailer Jazine C. Lagor
here and the I are here. There are all my dogs and the boy.
Yay! Okay, so that ends the graduation ceremony of St. Therese de Avila, Kinder 2 pupils. And I'm off to CDO again and see you on the next vlog. Peace, Iligan City, peace Philippines, and out. What's the sound of the goat, kuya?
Hal-hal yun yung gutron kay perting inita.